Got an 8li file for Adobe Photoshop scripting? This is a scripting plugin extending Photoshop's automation capabilities. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Photoshop scripting plugin files. Here's a professional insight. For those 8.li files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. 8.li files are scripting plugins for Adobe Photoshop that extend the application's scripting and automation capabilities. They provide additional script execution environments, custom commands, or specialized scripting functions used by Photoshop power users and developers for automated image processing workflows. 8.li files use Adobe's plugin format compiled as platform-specific binary modules that integrate with Photoshop's scripting subsystem. The format includes entry points for plugin functionality, scripting language extensions, and integration with Photoshop's standard JavaScript and AppleScript scripting interfaces. The 8li extension has a direct link to the Adobe Photoshop CC application by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot decode plugin APIs, so understanding the file requires the correct software ecosystem. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your 8li file and choose Open With. Check for Adobe Photoshop CC and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If your 8li file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, installing Photoshop plugins. Place 8li files in Photoshop's plugins directory, typically located within the application installation folder. Restart Photoshop to load the plugin, which becomes available through the scripting interface. Some plugins include installer programs for automated placement in correct directories. Next, verifying plugin compatibility. Check that 8li plugins match your Photoshop version and operating system architecture. Plugins compiled for older Photoshop versions may not work with current Creative Cloud releases. Visit the plugin developer's website for updated versions compatible with your specific Photoshop version and system. Finally, using scripting functions. After installation, access scripting plugin functions through Photoshop's File, then Scripts menu or through the Script Events Manager. Documentation from the plugin developer explains the specific scripting capabilities provided. Combine plugin functions with custom JavaScript scripts for advanced automation workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.